This is Caitlin about to get her gift from Cousin Kimmy. Let's see what it is. Don't open your eyes up.
Okay.
Excuse me. There you go.
Okay, open your eyes. Open the box. What is it?
It's Annie! I love her. Thank you, Cousin Kimmy.
Open it. Let's see what she looks like. She's so pretty. Let me see.
Thank you so much. Now I don't have to get this for Christmas. It's so pretty.
She's so pretty. Alright, we'll take her out the box. Say bye.
Bye.
Blow some kisses.